Hello, YouTube. Good afternoon and happy Friday. This is Black Tiger Miner. Welcome you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Thanks for your participation and support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And happy Friday. So let's go. So, looking at the Kaspa FYI, this is the Kaspa dashboard. We're looking at TPS, which is transactions per second, and BPS, which is blocks per second. And if you notice with the ongoing updates for the Rust Golang, it looks like they're at 1.2 blocks per second, which is pretty good. I think the goal is to get to 10 BPS, but the progress is evident at 1.0 BPS and 2.2 or 2.0 TPS, which is transactions per second. So it's actually a good thing. And let's get into the numbers. And also, I have a video where they're talking about a price prediction and current market cap. So let you know what you think about the videos in the comments as well. So let's get to the numbers and then we'll check out the video. So currently, Kaspa's up 2.3% today. And we'll go to the live coin watch saying it's up 1.91% in the last 24 hours. That's down 0.09% in the last hour. It's up 19.37% in the last week. And last 30 days is down 11.13%, which it was a pretty rough month for April, but things are finally leveling back out. And for the last 90 days, it's up 428%. There's a lot of conversation about Kaspa. I guess Kaspa is now getting more popular among YouTubers. So there's more YouTube videos. So don't forget to smash the like button just to see if we can stay in the algorithm to see how the video can get across more of YouTube. And as you can see here, for the last 7 days, it's starting to go up. What is that? The 25th? Guess that was Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, somewhere in there. And it's been up and it's been pretty consistent lately. So we'll check the TPS, BPS numbers again. Not much change there. And the active addresses in the last 7 days is still slightly dipping. It's actually a pretty good site if you wanted to check it out. And I ran across this, you guessed it, another Kaspa t shirt by our friend Morgan by Apparel. This looks pretty cool. I might actually check this one out. I'll put a link for this in the comments. I do like the panda uh, Kaspa there. So we'll see how that works out. And we'll check out the Kaspa page. So on the Kaspa Twitter page, there's mention of BitGet will be listing Kaspa on April 29th. And is it just me, or does it seem like there's a lot of small exchanges rushing to list Kaspa versus the large exchanges? I wonder what's taking the large exchanges so long, or why this process is being delayed. Be interesting to find out that, or if anybody has any insight, put it in the comment sections. So yes, this is the announcement for L Bank. I think I put in the last video. So let's click to the video and see the price prediction. So this video is Crypto Dose, another friend of the channel, and we'll see what he has to say.
Supply is increasing drastically, and that's about it. But that does not mean we still cannot see 10x in the near future. Now, can we see Kaspa reach a max supply of 28 billion tokens with with a price sitting at $1? maybe, maybe not. I mean, if we look right here on the all-time market cap, we could see that XRP is sitting at 23 billion and USDC. So this would mean that Kaspa at the very moment, assuming that it does happen within the next, 8 months, that means that it would essentially be a top 10 cryptocurrency or even a top 5 cryptocurrency. Is that doable? It's not impossible, but it's not probable. Is it possible that we reach $1? Maybe. In the definitely in the in the long run, I think it could definitely happen. But a 10x from here, 1,000% is definitely doable. That would only bring Kaspa to a $5 billion market cap coin. Is that possible? Yes, that is very, very, very possible. Now let's have a look at some of the exchanges real quick. We can see that Kaspa is currently traded on Gate, MEXC, BingX. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. These are the three big exchanges that I'm currently looking at right now and actively trading on right now. Now, we still have Binance, KuCoin. Kaspa is still not, traded on these exchanges right here. Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, OKX, Coinbase, Bitstamp, Bybit, Bitfinex, Binance.us. I mean, we are seeing Kaspa still not being traded on these high exchanges just yet. But once we do, imagine how high Kaspa will actually explode, right? So let's have a look at a TA real quick right here on the daily time frame. We can see right here on the daily time frame that it's okay to have these essentially correction. Okay, these essential corrections are okay. Every time we're gonna have a pump, we're gonna have corrections. Okay, we had it right here, and guess what happened after we essentially exploded above on the daily resistance? We essentially took off. Right, we had another one right here, exploded, took off. We had another one right here. Guess what happened after the daily? We took off. And we know that the bigger and longer these corrections are, and the harder the dump is, the more aggressive the pump will essentially be, right? So we saw a massive pump right here. We saw a massive pump right here. Okay, so now we're essentially seeing, and of course, when we're going to see these massive pumps in the middle, we're of course going to have corrections. And now we're seeing another one. This was a pretty month-long correction right here. And can we see a massive, massive swing to the upside, reaching even 11 to 20 cents in the next leg? Now, we know the Elliott wave pattern consists of fifth wave. Can this be the first wave followed by correction, second wave? Now, we know the third wave is usually the biggest and longest wave. Okay, can this be the fourth wave? And can we have a massive fifth wave incoming very, very soon? So there's a lot of bullish patterns happening right now on Kaspa. It's not just one. It's not only the technical, it's not only the fundamental, it's a lot of good things. Now, another thing that I do want to talk about is actually these exponential moving average. Now, these exponential moving average are in fact looking pretty good. So we know right here, ever since we essentially broke above these EMA ribbons right here on January 31st, we haven't really been below these exponential moving average. I mean, we always came back down, retested, and bounced back up, right? And this is what's happening right now on Kaspa. Every time we are above, things are looking very, very bullish. And look, the last time we broke above on January 31st, 2023, Kaspa has essentially exploded 720%. Now look where we are right now. Kaspa is currently sitting right now at 3 cents, and we broke above these EMA ribbons, followed by a retest. We know when we break above any sort of resistance, support, head and shoulder, technical indicator, we usually come back and retest that level. So we exploded, came back, retested. This was the beautiful retest right here. And now the big question is will we have another pump right here? Now, this could be a 400, even 500% pump, in my opinion, in like very, very soon. Okay, can we see Kaspa 10x within the next month or by June? Literally very, very possible. I would not be surprised if this happens. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that things are looking pretty good. Just a short consolidation right here on Kaspa. I mean, ever since we had that nice little bounce right here, beautiful rebound, we have just been going sideways for the past I would say past 18 hours or so. Nothing too crazy. Coming back up and retesting this level right here, which is pretty important. I mean, we are above this resistance, which is pretty good. And like I said, guys, when we're going to come back above a resistance support, it doesn't matter what, we usually come back down, retest before essentially exploding to the upside. Now, we know this.
So that was the price prediction from Crypto Dose. I don't know about you guys, but do you think it's going to 10x by June? That's going to be interesting, and I would like to hear your thoughts there. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Black Tiger Miner signing out on Friday. Have a good weekend, and let's get back to the money.